Hello CraftDee Family, and welcome to another tutorial by She's So Crafty. For today's DIY project, we will be creating this Christmas tree decor made from supplies purchased from the Dollar Tree. This project uses shower curtain rings as a base and is so easy to assemble and customize. Please see the description box below for all of the supplies and tools used to create this project. I'm so happy to share this tutorial with you, but before we start, I wanted to say welcome back to my current and new subscribers to my channel. If you're a new visitor to my channel today and you love to create fun and easy DIY projects on a budget, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and also click that notification bell so you will be the first to know when a new tutorial is ready to share. So now, let's jump right into that project. For this project, you will need some wired garland. I bought this piece secondhand, but these are also sold in strips at the Dollar Tree. You also need a 60 count pack of any color zip ties. We'll need 21 shower curtain rings in any color, some small decorative ribbons or bows, and we'll need 19 small Christmas bulbs in your color choice. And finally, a bag of some of these mini pine cones. The first thing that we're going to do is to take our shower curtain rings and make sure that they are all clasped together. Now you want to lay out your rings in a Christmas tree design. There will be a total of 7 rows, including the trunk. Now grab your zip ties. We're going to go ahead and remove those from the packaging. Now we want to go ahead and start attaching those zip ties to the rings, making sure that there is a zip tie at all the points where the rings touch. Now doing it this way will make sure that they are all secure when your Christmas tree is hung. And this is what it will look like when all the zip ties are applied and tightened. Now you just want to go ahead and take your wire cutters and snip up all those tails. And here's our tree all put together. Now we are ready to paint. We're going to go ahead and use this Krylon Brilliant Silver spray paint for this project. Now go ahead and apply a few coats to the front and the back, making sure you cover the sides and the inner parts of the rings as well. Now while that tree dries, we can go ahead and prepare the bows. We're going to remove them from the packaging. And then what we're going to do is we're going to trim those tails down a bit so they'll fit properly on the bulbs. Next, we're going to go ahead and grab our garland and we're going to go ahead and create some mini wreaths. So we're going to measure and cut the stems about 4 inches in length. And then what we're going to do is wind them in a circular pattern to create a mini wreath. So by now your tree should be dry and we can start decorating it. Now go ahead and grab your bulbs. Now we're going to apply these to the curtain rings with hot glue. Now you want to make sure that your bulb is centered inside of the ring and that the neck of the bulb is glued to the clasp portion of the ring, making sure the clasp is upward. And we want to go ahead and repeat this with all your remaining bulbs in your desired pattern. And here are all of your bulbs attached. We want to be sure to make sure that top ring and the two bottom rings are open. Now go ahead and grab your bows and your mini wreaths. Go ahead and start placing your bows on the tree, and you kind of want to space and stagger them in the pattern that I'm showing here. Now once you're happy with the placement, go ahead and take your hot glue gun and adhere the bows to the top of those bulbs. And now you can start adding your wreaths. Now I placed a wreath on each bulb that did not have a bow. And here is your tree with all the bows and the wreaths attached. Okay, next we're going to work with our mini pine cones. Aren't these cute? What we're going to do is hot glue a pine cone to the center of each one of the wreaths. Now to top off our tree, I'm going to add these silver bells. We're just going to apply those with hot glue. And then I'm going to top it off with another red bow. And here it is, all put together. Now we just let that dry and we are all done. And here is our completed project. How fun and festive is this? Oh my goodness. Okay, so I absolutely love how this project turned out. I think that the red and silver bulbs combined with the greenery totally embrace the holiday vibe. And the best thing is that you can change up the colors and design to accommodate your taste and style. Now I have chosen to hang this on a door, but this tree can be hung on a wall, or it's firm enough to where it can be leaned against a solid surface of another item. You can even make this in a different size by reducing or adding rows, or you can even use mason jar rings. Just customize it to your liking and style. Listen, if you enjoyed this project, please give this video a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments how you would decorate and display this tree in your home. Thank you again for visiting and checking out my tutorial. If you like videos like these and don't want to miss the next one, please please go ahead and click that subscribe button below and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.